Okay, so this is a super late update on this turd. Look over there, that thing's wagging. Yeah, anyway, update. And I'm not really not going to narrate this one a whole bunch because it pretty much speaks for itself. And yeah, we had some problems. So here you go. How's my hair look?
Perfect.
What's that dude's name from Shrek? Lord
Farquaad.
Yeah. I tend to look like him sometimes.
Yeah, you said that before.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so here's the plan. Brad
Yep.
is going to get on the ground and he's going to jack up the transmission, and then I'm going to crawl in here and strap it and hold it up. And this little dinky green ratchet strap is going to hold it up. And
We hope.
well, there's absolutely no reason it wouldn't work, and there's nothing that could possibly go wrong.
It's us. There's
Then
nothing wrong.
we're going to roll it out. And then I don't know. Okay. That's it for now. Okay, bye.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh my goodness! Right there.
You were using the sway bar?
Why not? It's either that or the control arm. Pick one. Which one you want?
The belt or the rear end?
The jack's too short, it won't reach us because of long bit.
So you scratched up my sway bar.
Shove. Vertical shove. You're hoping that you're not going to be upset that you did all this work?
But I had to drop it.
Okay, Schmoggy.
I had to drop it to get the.
All right, so
Your alignment's off.
do you think? Truck's in. It's nested.
Should
For the
be
6 to 8 months.
Yeah, we got till June.
We have 2 weeks. Okay,
I
bye.
did, so did, didn't it say 3?
What are we doing?
We're gonna put this in that.
Thought I already did that.
You did. And now I am.
Wait, you?
Okay, we.
Thank you. Yeah. Exciting. It's just depressing doing it again this quickly, without even me having the opportunity to blow that up. So, but anyway, yeah, we're off to a good early start, and okay, bye. All right, let's do a quick recap. This is a 6.0. That's all I got to say about it right now. But it's going in here. Rusty is kind of a walking advertisement for the truck right now because he's got his Circle D shirt on and his QA1 hat. Because Circle D torque converter and QA1 fantasticness in here underneath all that dirt right now, front and rear. Seats out of a Hyundai Tiburon. And what else? Oh, we got a, I don't know. What else we got in this? Anything? Thank goodness for it. Oh, yes. How could I forget? Holly, EFI. We are running the Holley Terminator X Max in this, which is so incredibly easy to hook up. I did it, so that should tell you that it's really simple. And that's it for now. Hooker goodness. Everybody needs a hooker in their life. And wire care. There's so much gobs of wire care in this, of all kinds. You can see there's boxes there that we're getting ready to tear into a little bit. So yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, bye. So,
Influencer in the wild.
okay. Huh?
An influencer in the wild.
An influencer who has forgotten everything he did just a couple months ago. Hey, would you look up the exact torque specs for water pump?
19-inch pump.
Or tight? How's that sound?
Yep.
Because I'm fat and old. I mean, you're pert near there. I mean, you're almost there.
Almost, right? So it's
Pert near.
pert near there, which means it's almost there.
Yeah.
Okay. So don't freak out when I drop it. Ready?
Hey, didn't I just say you should put it in the middle?
And I just said I had it in the middle.
And now we're putting it in the middle. So you dismissed me.
No,
Yeah, you did. You dismissed me.
I was making sure that we were lined up.
No, you dismissed me. I'm never done with my fans.
Okay.
My fans mean everything to me.
Transmission needs to get jacked up.
Transmission needs jacked up. I've been preparing my whole life for this.
Up, not off. Okay, right there. Stop.
I can jack all day.
That's what I heard. I loosened the transmission and slid it back like you were questioning.
I had a good idea.
You did. I just didn't realize that your transmission had slides.
Yeah, all you do is ask. For you guys out there, in case you're wondering, at this point, even though that's my truck, I am nothing but an assistant, which probably really should be the way. I mean, it should be that way or something, but just in case you were wondering. Game on.
Okay.
Okay, so we do have the motor in, and now Rusty's doing Rusty things because torque converter, can you see it? Can you see it right there? Torque converter is not lining up. Well, it's closer than it was. And I'm consistently having really good ideas that he is consistently ignoring.
True.
Shaking his head. True. Yeah. Hey, look at this goodness. Do you see this goodness? This is QA1 goodness. Look at that. Goodness. Goodness, goodness. My goodness, that's some goodness. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Woo. 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 Goodness. All right, so we've been having trouble getting things to align. Transmission's like way off, and we've been struggling. And I can't do it. You're gonna have to.
He put the motor mounts on wrong. Adjustable motor mounts, and didn't bother checking how many holes he adjusted it to. 3 hours? Probably 3 hours.
Yeah. No.
Okay, 2.5 hours. And a half hour for lunch.
Okay, bye. All right, so after the debacle of the motor mount, Yeah, and for all of those of you that want to yell and say it's an engine, not a motor, why do we call them motor mounts? Huh? Complain about something worth complaining about. Anyway, so is that lining up now, Rusty?
Well, yeah, it's lining up a little bit.
Like where it should be?
Like exactly where it should be.
Huh. So.
Yeah. It's funny how that works when you put it in the right stuff.
Right stuff was in.
Oh, he just didn't know how to line it up.
I
Can't count holes.
Yeah. Okay. La-da! You know, the scary thing is, it almost appears like I know what I'm doing. You know, kind of like with those motor mounts. Chopping broccoli! Man, this is crazy. I got fancy motor mount. Fancy matching injectors. Matching injectors. Hey, Rusty. I have a big problem.
Okay, hang on a second.
Big problem you're not going to be able to fix.
Okay. What? Those injectors don't fit? Don't you need some adapters?
They're very much the wrong size.
Yep, they are very much the wrong size. So,
Ooh, toe cramp.
Oh.
Ah. A little nervous? This is going to end badly. You saw it, didn't you?
I saw your fingers slicing right across it. Hey, we can put this up.
Ow! Okay, that's annoying. Ow! Ow! My knee just about gave out. Oh! Okay. Hey, the engine's in.
You don't.
Ow!
You put the nut inside the open-end socket and you slide it up in there.
Yeah. Sure you do.
Socket and
Sure.
You slide it up in there.
Sure. Yeah, that's what you do.
I would do it for you, but I'm gonna go look doing other stuff.
How good am I? How good am I? Oh, who farted?
That guy.
Dude!
Had to have been.
No.
That's a.
No, because I got
this night, right?
You just did that.
No, it wasn't me.
Was it you? Because it was not me. I would claim it.
I did smell it over there, and I was like, wow, maybe it just kind of grabbed
It's
me
you.
that way.
Isn't it?
Maybe.
Dude, that is wrong. All right, so back at it. Hey, look who's here. Kenny Rogers. And Rusty's here. And we just had this argument about red and black, ground and positive. I was right the whole time.
Hey, it was not an argument. It was a discussion that you were wrong.
I wasn't wrong. It's what I said from the beginning. Anyway.
Lying is a sin.
Yes. So's pride. I'm the one that questioned it from the beginning.
You did. You said, why would I have a black power wire?
Exactly.
And I said, I wouldn't. I don't know why you would.
And I didn't.
Clearly you didn't. But
I was slightly confused. I was slightly confused as to the placement.
I don't know. Holly's so simple, even you could wire it, you said.
I did say that was questionable.
Yeah, it was questionable, all right. You wired it, And then you confuse yourself by figuring out if red was positive and black was ground.
Well, I wired it 6 months ago.
Red being positive and black being
No.
ground.
I was not confused about that. I was confused about the placement. It's true. And see? Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, you know how I like to ask you guys why this crap is fun? Right now I'm asking, why are these people my friends?
With friends like us, you don't need enemies.
That's right. Okay.
If it was old school, it'd already be running. Last thing I want to do is jinx or say something wrong. But if we're doing this, I've never been here.
Yeah. Fire extinguisher is right there. All right, here it is. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That was excellent. Nice job. Nice job. Wow, that sounds so much better than last time. Hey, it's running. Again.
Yeah. You got temperature?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the computer, I got all gauges.
Ah.
I got no oil pressure.
Well, and again, remember he said,
I got no oil,
oh, don't even.
which means I'm going to say we're not going to start this again, and I'm going to take that plug out and I'm going to manually pressurize this system. I'm not going to start it back up and running.
I agree.
I don't think it's a building issue. I think it's a matter of getting oil.
Getting it primed.
Right. All right. Let me give you a little update here. We can't get oil pressure in this engine, and so I've done every trick that I know to do. I've pushed oil through with pressure through every port that I can push through, and it's just not building pressure. Nothing's getting to the top of the engine. So next step was to start pulling it apart, right? Pull the oil pan off, pull the front cover off, and well, found the problem. Check this out. Yeah, that right there, whoop. There's supposed to be a plug right there. That's what keeps the oil inside the engine and lets it go to flow to the top of the engine instead of letting it just dump back in the oil pan. Yeah, it's not there. I think I know where our oil pressure went.
Fixed it. We fixed a few things. A couple minor setbacks. But now it's running. And I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Okay, bye. So, what do you think?
It goes down the road.
It's a hot rod.
It gets it. That's just it.
She gets it. No longer a wimpy one-tire fire. I'm excited again. Okay, bye.